Konnichiwa doesn't work for every hello. It is not wrong. You just need the right scene. Nihongo EXP, Quest 1. When should you say konnichiwa? Quest 1-1. Learn what konnichiwa really means. Do not worry. Konnichiwa is still useful. It just does not fit every scene.
こんにちは。
Small pronunciation note. Here, the final ha is read as wa, not ha. Open the greeting map. Japanese greetings change by time, relationship, and situation. Morning, Ohayo gozaimasu. Daytime, konnichiwa. Evening, konbanwa. Friends, yaho or ohayo. Workplace, otsukurasama desu.
おはようございます。
Use ohayo gozaimasu for polite morning greetings. Ohayo is the casual version.
こんにちは。
Use konnichiwa during the day, especially with people you do not know well.
こんばんは。
Use konbanwa in the evening or at night. Like konnichiwa, the final ha is pronounced wa.
やっほ。
With close friends, konnichiwa can feel a little stiff. Casual greetings often sound more natural.
お疲れ様です。
Use otsukurasama desu after work, practice, or a meeting.
Mini dialogue.
Small shop, 1 p.m. Listen to the scene, then repeat once.
こんにちは。こんにちは。コーヒーをお願いします。
This fits because it is daytime, polite, and the setting is a shop. Quick check. You meet a cashier at 2 p.m. What do you say? Correct. Konnichiwa. EXP plus 5. It is daytime, so konnichiwa fits.
こんにちは。
Mistake clinic. A common beginner trap. Mistake clinic. Do not walk into your close friend's room at midnight and say konnichiwa. It can sound too textbook.
こんばんは。やっほ。
Battle start. 3 questions to clear the quest. Question 1. You meet your teacher at 8 a.m. What do you say? Answer. B. Ohayo gozaimasu. Morning plus teacher means polite greeting.
おはようございます。
Question 2. You enter a shop at 2 p.m. What do you say? Answer. C. Konnichiwa. Daytime plus shop means konnichiwa.
こんにちは。
Question 3. You see a coworker after a long meeting. What sounds natural? Answer. A. Otsukurasama desu. After a long meeting, this phrase feels natural.
お疲れ様です。
Today's rule. Choose greetings by time, relationship, and situation. Final shadowing. Listen, repeat, then one more time.
こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。
Nice.
You cleared your first greeting quest. Next quest, Sumimasen is more than sorry. Subscribe to keep leveling up.